Hey yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up with life? Bro, live stream shit, brother. Live. Bro, live stream. GM. Bro, damn, you guys are joining pretty. We got 12 people from X here already. GM, 13 people. I just retweeted. You know the drill, guys. Retweet this shit. Retweet it. We're about to do some epic shit right now. Retweet. 21 people. Oh my word. You all are so fast joining, even without posting. GM to you, my fans worldwide. 22 people. What? You all are so fast joining this. Yeah, so I'm about to do a live stream right now. And yep, I just put it out to see 1 minute ago, and then got 25 people already here. And let's see, probably today we're going to get about maybe 500, 1,000, 2,000 people. Let's see how it goes. GM, my guys, GM. Yeah, I work from everywhere. I travel to a new city and working. So I'm about to do a live stream right now. Yeah, Cross, I greet you, GM to you. Please make sure you retweet this, GM. Crown on YouTube, I greet you specially, GM. We're about to get so active right now, yeah. We're about to get so active, so active. Oh my word, this about almost fell off. Shit. GM. I'm so impressed. You all are joining so fast. Toswin retweeted GM to you. GM, I need to inform the community we're live right now. I'm here to do that. So, but welcome. For those of you just joining, make sure you retweet. This space is gonna be filled with a lot of It's gonna be filled with a lot of information. Trust me, like extreme information. You know. So make sure you join. Yeah. Make sure you're active. So the federal government yesterday cut interest rate. How many of you guys saw the news yesterday, right? So the federal government, yes. You saw the news yesterday. So it's going to have a lot of impact on BTC, and it's going to have a lot of impact on BTC. Okay, and I'm going to show you. You already saw what's happened yesterday. So yeah, so I'm about to inform the community that we're live. So retweet, repost, share. For those of you on YouTube, share to your WhatsApp status, WhatsApp groups. Get everybody in here right now. Okay, get everybody in here. Everybody needs to be here right now. I am ready. I got two internet connected to the Starlinks and my other Wi-Fi. I want us to. I don't want us to have any uninterrupted. Um, you know, any interruption. I mean to say. So I'm trying to reshare. So do the same thing. So repost, reshare, guys. Repost, reshare. I'm doing the same thing right now. my word. We have 50 people in here. Welcome, guys. Please, I need your comments. I need sending your GM. Sending your GM. Sending your GM. Let's know where you're GMing from. Are you from Nigeria? Are you from overseas? Sending your GM, guys. Let's get active. You know how we do it here. No dull moment here. Sending your GM. Sending your GM. GM. Where are you GMing from this morning? I'm GMing from Nigeria today. Okay. So the federal government yesterday cut interest rates, right? So the interest rate was cut. I think the interest rate was cut to, let me read it out. Yes, US federal cut rate by 25 BPS down to 3.75, right? 3.75. So, great news. Everybody's expecting some big buys, a lot of people are expecting buys. In fact, for what it is, the market pumped to about $94,000 and Bitcoin pumped to about $94,000, and it was interesting. A lot of people felt it was going to still buy some more. Personally, I was asleep. I had a very hectic day at the airport yesterday. My flight was postponed for like 7 hours, right? Was it up to seven? No, not 7 hours. About 5 hours. It was crazy yesterday, and I was so tired. And I was already on BTC buys. I don't know. One thing led to one thing. I did not take um, profit, and don't. Though I'm gonna still break even on that trade, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. But all of us are gonna basically win. So, but anyways, um, yeah, that's about it. So a lot, a lot of information is gonna be shared in this video. Okay, Cross from FCT, I greet you. Welcome here. Welcome. So please, I need you to pay attention and be attentive to this particular live stream, and because a lot of information as usual is going to be shared. You get what I'm saying? A lot of information is going to be shared, and you're going to learn a lot. And yeah, that's just about it. For you, those of you on X, the tweets, I'm not seeing much of the tweets. You all need to retweet this, man, because it's going to be epic information here. So a lot of people, I'm going to try to make this live stream very interesting today. So I need you all to make this live stream interesting also by, being active. Okay? Be active. Oh my God. So please send in your GM, send in your GM. Please, sorry about that. I had to take this call. Yeah, I had to take. No, don't worry. I was not talking to you, people. I know. I had to take this call. I got to speak to somebody. So, but you can hear me now. Yeah, you can hear me. I believe you can hear me right now. Yeah. Friday. Good evening, Maris. You commented you can't hear me. You can hear me now. Yeah, cool. Yeah, Jacob can hear me. Cool. Everybody can hear me. Cool, 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 cool. Akupue Lochem, good morning to you too. So yeah, good morning everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, wherever you are. Good morning. So we're about to get very active right now. We're about to get very active, okay? So I was saying something yesterday. Whatever platform you're on, YouTube, Twitter, we share this post to your status, you know, we share it to your status. We share to your groups you are in. We share to retweet on Twitter, share to people's DM, tell them to retweet also and join. That is how we grow and that is how we can be. You understand? Yeah. Um, Greetings, Mr. MC Otech. Greetings to you. Yeah. So yesterday we had the rate cut from the US federal government and you know the impact on the market. What's going to be the impact on the market? I'm going to show you what is going to be on BTC. We'll show you on BTC and show you the possibilities. And when I do that, we move. Okay. Meanwhile, I travel to another city. I travel to another city. But I have to work from anywhere. See, if I'm traveling, I'm carrying my tools. You know, I used to mix. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this first before we dive deep into the. Yo, hello. Yeah. I think hello. Yes, yes. Yeah, I will you call you. Make you need touch this thing. Okay. Mm. So while I sort out this little issue I have at hand, if I need to know, like, is this your first time joining this live stream? So if it's your first time, second time, drop a comment. And you know how we roll here. We are very interactive when we're live streaming. So be interactive, okay? So is this your first time joining? We have about 107 people here. So yeah. Is this your first time joining the live stream? If this is your first time, comment. If this is not your first time, you can say second time, third time. So there's a reason why I'm asking this question, okay? So I need to receive comment coming in now. Okay, let me show comment on stage. Yeah, so that we can be seeing comments. Yeah, okay. Crypto Burger from X said first time. Okay, first time, cool. So there's a lot that happens here, okay? So first timer welcome. You know how they do it in the church. First timers welcome. Okay, and wealthy place said first time. Okay, first timer welcome. Be patient with us. You're going to learn a lot here today. Uh, First timers in the building. Cross said my million time. Okay, okay. That's a die-hard dream chaser there. I'm reading comments. So keep dropping the comments. Okay, Cross said million time. Somebody said been in DC community for years now, but this is my third time on the live stream. Full name is Magnus Chinedu. Okay, Magnus, welcome. Please always make sure you join the live stream. Okay, the live stream is important. Okay, because you're gonna learn a whole lot, and yeah, it has been helping a lot of people. So you're gonna learn a whole lot. Guys, please, so sorry, so sorry. My so somebody, I told you guys I traveled, so they are bringing my car, right? Somebody is driving my car down here, so there's a little fault. I had to just tell them what to do. Okay, okay. So I'm seeing first timer. What trade are we looking at today? BTC. Yeah, rushing. Magnus. It's not rush. There's no need to rush. You know, there's no need to rush. We're gonna do a lot today. You know, so it's interesting. To have amazing people here. It's interesting and lovely. Okay, and trust me, you're going to learn a lot today, and you're going to be happy. And the reason why I asked if you've been joining this stuff today is that Dream Chaser is not all about what the charts. That is not only what I want to be about. For those of you that have been following me, you must have seen me attempt to want to become other things apart from what trade are we looking at today, which is Magnus. I want to be a motivational icon. I want you to see me and be like, yo, Dream Chaser can do this, I can do it. I want to be an inspiration. I want to be the reason why you start up things. I want to be the reason why you are daring. I want to be the reason why you attempt greatness. Okay. So that is part of the reasons why we are here. And please and please and please, you just have to be comfortable with this. Okay. And if you're not comfortable with it, you can just stop attending. You can stop attending the live stream. Okay, but this is what we have to do, and I'm saying this regardless of your nationality, your race, wherever or whatever, wherever you are, whoever you are, your class. No, you know, yeah. So that is it. Okay. So that's the reason why I'm asking if you join it for the first time, because I need you to know a lot of things. Like for instance, I need you to understand that this is a war. This particular trading is a war, and this war is a game. And this game, the people that survive this game are the most intelligent, the most informed, and the most strategic people. It has to be a balance. There have to be a balance. And obviously, the people that have the balls to grab it by, or rather that have the balls to grab it by the balls, yes. So you have to be ready to take action. You have to be willing to learn. You have to be willing to invest in learning. You have to be willing to do what an average person cannot do. Okay, let's try something out. How many of you are ready? If you are ready, type I'm ready. Let me be sure that I'm speaking to. Let me be sure that I'm speaking to the right audience. So if you are ready, type I'm ready. If you are ready, type I am ready. Okay, Chukwudi said I'm ready. Cool. Crown said I am ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Okay, good. I love the energy here. Like I love the response. Amazing, amazing. Let's fucking go from Casey. Let's fucking go, guys. So um it's interesting. It's interesting to know that you all are ready. Okay, good. So please, my goal. I know it's gonna be it's hard. I'm trying to like um attempt a hard thing, but I believe we're gonna do. Some people, even if it's 1%, right? So I said you need to be willing to do what others are not willing to do. Others are not willing to do hard. Anything that is hard, others are not willing to do it. People are willing to do easy. Let me give you an example. We have thousands of people on the community. Check how many people on the live stream. You can see the numbers here. We have 158 people on the live stream. But we have thousands of followers following me on different platforms. But 158 people. Why? People are not willing to do hard. They are willing to do easy. What is easy? I don't want to join the live stream. I don't want to invest my data. Because you have to buy data to be here. I don't want to invest my data. I don't want to invest my time. All I just want is buy this, sell this. That is only what I want to hear. That is only what I want to hear. And that is why you are among the few people that are willing to do hard. Before I tell you to do this, I'm going to do it first. So since you're among the few people that are willing to do hard, you are done, Abi? Okay, good. Thank you. Bye. So since you're among the few people that are willing to do hard, let us do something for those few people that are willing to do hard. What are we going to do for those people that are willing to do hard? Hmm? The fuck? I'm trying to get this emoji. Please, Magnus, you're allowed to ask question, but we're yet to get to that point. You have to. You don't. There are hundreds of people here. You don't have to be faster than your shadow. Those people that are willing to do hard, there's something I want us to do for you guys. I wanted to be the first person to do it. I just posted mine. You can see it there. Please clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Because you are here, you are doing hard. You are doing what not do, which is joining a live stream to get educated, to get information, to listen and listen and listen and to listen. People prefer to talk more than they listen. But you are here, you are willing to listen. Clap for yourself, please. I applaud you. And that is why you're going to be better than major. You see, we have thousands. You see my followers now. Thousands of people are following me, but hundreds of people are the people willing to join live stream. Clap for yourself. Congratulations. So you see what I'm talking about. You now start to wonder, why are you doing better than the next man? 2023, I was in therapy. If I tell you one of the things that made me go to therapy, you'll be surprised. One of the things that made me go to therapy was that I was feeling so guilty. Oh my God, somebody somewhere committed suicide because of trading. Their trading went south. They committed suicide. Oh my God, somebody lost their home. Somebody lost this. Why the fuck am I then winning and winning and winning? And it felt, what do they call that stuff? They call it, there's a syndrome, they call that stuff. where you feel like you don't deserve some things, you feel like you're not enough. There's something they call it. When you feel like as if you are just a con man, you are not really, you don't really qualify for. There's something they call it. Somebody that has no more English than me can be able to, you can type it here. So it was one of the reasons. But then, I then the therapist asked me, "Did I steal their money?" I said, "No." "What did you do?" "I try as much as possible to learn, invest in myself, take the hard route, and I'm seeing results now." He told me, "You deserve it." Wealthy place said, unmerited. No, unmerited is cool, but then there's one particular syndrome. There's something they, when I get it, I'm going to talk about it. So you see, and I felt some relief when he told me that, I fucking worked hard for this. Now you that you are here today are willing to listen to me. Some of you have been here on 28 minutes now plus. You merit to be great because you are putting in the effort. You are you are you are trying to do better than everybody. That is the only reason why you're here. You feel, oh, Dream Chaser has information. Let me. You are doing something that is hard. That is why I clap for you. And please clap for yourself. Appreciate yourself. Okay. That is you doing something that's hard. So over time, over the years, it's going to pay. You will feel imposter syndrome. Thank you so much, Friday. That is imposter syndrome. Thank you. Imposter syndrome. I dealt with it. I had to go to therapy for imposter syndrome because I felt like I was cheating. 2023, I'm not going to forget. It was one of the reasons I was in therapy. Imposter syndrome. So that is why today, you see me, I talk with so much audacity, so much, because I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot. You're looking at a great man here. I've been through a lot, you know. So been through a lot, and I don't know some all of these guys. I don't know how they join my YouTube live stream. They are, I don't know these guys where they are coming from. They just this one is asking, "Are you a truck driver?" Now your papa be truck driver. So yeah. So okay. So yesterday, what I'm going to talk about. I need you to. So for those of you that are joining this, you know how I talk. You already know how I talk. You're used to it. We are here to show, to try as much as possible to outthink other people, to try as much as possible to outsmart other people, right? To try as much as possible to understand this market in a way that other people don't understand it. So we're trying as much as possible to spark something in your head, something that in the future you then be like, oh my word, thank you so much, Dream Chaser. You are the one that made me start thinking like this, and I am happy I'm thinking like this because a lot of people don't think like this. So me now, me for an already Niger, I grow for street, you understand? So as I take grow for street, I can't know many things for street. I can't know how to survive for street. Do you understand? So that is why for some of us we don't jam me for real life. They get the reason why they talk this in for pidgin English because of our foreign audience. May they no go may they no go misunderstand me. Sure you get well. So I'm gonna switch back soon, okay? So for now, I sabi streets, I can't know streets, I know how to survive for street. I know when person will move on you for street, a lot of survival instinct and all that shit, man. So these things and I come make me now. You get the way they move. Before I make waka, I don't do one or two. You understand? Sure you get man. You get the way I take the move. So for some of you, don't jam me for real life. You go know some more. I get the kind man why I be. Sure you get man. Now, but online, if I dey post online, and people go dey reason me via say, oh, this guy too. They no good. Some people they won't see me as a jebo. They don't know say me now. I sabi many things, you understand, but shey you get. So e can't make me now. I can't sabi how to survive. I get where they carry this story go. Like I can't sabi how to like survive. You understand? If I fall out like this now, if I observe this scenario now, see some more na street men full here. Oh, I need to move. I go move. She understand. If I come now, see say, oh, this one na street men, but these men they know they after your phone and all that. I go dey. If I observe, see say, for this place where I dey, so these men no more. I need to come out here. You get as this men take the coordinates. I go come out. The reason why I come out now, at that point I no get advantage. But if I done where I na me get advantage. You understand that kind of thing, man? So all these things I learn am when I small because now the kind area where I go for. Now, um, now coming to crypto, coming to trading, I can't dey apply. I start okay now. Let me switch back. So I started applying that all those orientation, all those street orientation, all those. Oh, this is a war. Red means people have get down all the buyers in the market, and green means the buyers want to take advantage of. You understand? The buyers want to take advantage of the sellers. Now it is a war between the buyers and the sellers. You get me? You get me? See, um I don't know if YouTube algorithm is gonna pick this, and I don't know if YouTube algorithm is gonna pick this. I don't know if there's a way you guys, you know, evaluate videos and then know what people are saying. But YouTube needs to do a very scrutiny, and all these spam accounts, scammers using spam accounts coming here to like load people and all of that. Please, these guys with fake accounts, Oxtail is crap. I don't know what Oxtail is. I've never heard about it. You come in here with different accounts to comment. Do you know Oxtail? This other one will reply. Who doesn't like Oxtail? Rubbish. You cannot come here to scam my fans. This cannot happen. So take this book crap to somewhere else. I'm telling you guys, don't mind these comments here. They are crap from these guys commenting about tokens, coins. We're not doing that here. Take this rubbish to meme coins, guys. Take it away from my page. Oxtail is crap. Yeah, I said Oxtail is crap. So take your crap out of here. YouTube needs to ban you guys. Come here to try to scam people. Come with plenty accounts. Comment. Push people into buying rubbish projects. This is not how to promote projects. If you want to promote projects, you meet influencers, meet live streamers, collaborate with them. They integrate your project into their 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 videos. Not coming here with this parody account to do crap. Okay, so you see, so you get what I'm saying now. So now you go call. That is how I then came in with that orientation. I then realized that whoa, trading are the same thing as street. Oh, trading is same thing as street. You have to have for it to be for those of you that are grew up on the street, you understand anywhere in the world, you know that you have to be paranoid to survive the street because paronia makes your senses sharper. And when you are paranoid, you can then be able to spot out loopholes. You can then be like, oh, if I go here, they will do this to me. They will rob me. They will thief my chain. I'm not going to wear chain to this place. You have saved yourself from losses. You have saved yourself from losses. If you are following, comment biggest DC. If you are following, comment biggest DC. If this story is making sense to you, if this mental picture I'm trying to paint is making sense to you, comment biggest DC. I need to be sure you all are following. We have 194 people here. You know, I need to be sure you're following. Because man, today is gonna be, like I told you, it's gonna be packed with a lot of updates. Sharp. Can see some at least the reason why I like putting the comments on this stage is so that everybody can be able to see that, oh, people are actually active. So you all comment biggest DC if you're following, if you feel the vibe, because the information, the type of update I share here, sometimes I wish I got this type of update when I started crypto. Nobody, no, there was no rumor, there was nobody there to tell us things like this. You know, we got 202 people here. Interesting. Okay, so so when I that's it, I can see biggest DC, Neo, Speed, KC, Wealth, CEO Tech. I greet you especially. I can see your comments, cool. So that's it, that's it. So you have to understand this. I am a crypto bro. Crypto made me good money. Crypto is taking care of a lot of bills for me. Crypto made me started businesses. Crypto made me relevant. Bro, do you know that? Okay, let us. Hey, we are doing things here. Okay, let us comment. There are musicians that if they do live stream, they will not have up to 200 people on that live stream. True of us. Or somebody said they cannot hear me. Yeah, okay, it's coming out where. There are musicians that if they do a live stream, right, they will not have up to 200. These musicians, they are blown. Oh. They don't blow, they're famous, or they are famous. Let me just say they are famous people. True of us. So, why I'm saying this is that you need to understand that crypto made me relevant. This trading, people know me, people want to be my friend, you know. So, yeah. Now you have to now, my goal is to now make you people that are watching me think like me, think even better than me, because you have to be thinking very, very crazy here. So, having said that, let me bring this to stage. Ah, this guy they say more louder, more louder. Are you sure it's not your device? Please, everybody, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sound check, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah, every other person can hear me now. See, see the investment where I do. I buy this headphone for because of if I show you let me show you. See my power bank. See Wi-Fi. I'm connected to Starlink now, just in case of the take light now. This Wi-Fi what we trigger immediately. See my webcam now. They use move around like this. You get what I'm saying? Please, for those of you just joining this live stream, I play a lot too. This is why I used to show my character sometimes. You get me? So this is BTC. I've said a lot about Bitcoin, but then I've said a whole lot about Bitcoin. Obviously, all of us know that Bitcoin is going to zero. When I say zero, I mean it's going to dump a whole lot. Yeah, it's going to dump a whole lot. You know, but what? Let us talk about the direct impact that the federal government has on BTC. And somebody said they made money from my Bitcoin trade yesterday. Congratulations. Bitcoin pumped to 94,000. Our target was 97. Obviously, I've taught you guys what break even is, taking partial profit. You know, excuse me, the only person that did not make money from that yesterday trade was me. Shout out to Nigeria, because I was at the airport. They kept postponing my flight. When I got back, I became tired. When I woke up in the middle of the night, Bitcoin has pumped and dumped, and I am like, what? He paid me. Oh. So now I am lost. But the trade is still active. But then I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen. We're going to do it together. And I don't think I'm going to share this to the community. I will do it here, and I will share some updates in the community, but I'm not going to talk about that yesterday trade so that those people that did not join, they are going to, when Bitcoin does what you want to do, for those of them that are not wise enough to see what I'm showing on the chart, they are going to lose money. And when they lose money, they will come and drag me. And when they drag me, I'll tell them, I will then share this link to them and say, come and watch this live stream. Watch up to 42 minutes, 31 seconds. You hear when I'm saying that you're going to lose money, and you are going to lose that money because you don't want to sacrifice to attend live streams. Guys, clap for me. Clap. Make una clap. If I no clap, I go vex. In case of those of the videos they join now, that's how they do. Clap. You have to sacrifice. So if you're not willing to sacrifice, you don't deserve greatness. If you're not, make una the right down my nugget. I always drop a lot of nuggets here. If you're not willing to sacrifice, you don't deserve greatness. This one more write them down. Write them for your book. In fact, somebody say, can you hear me clapping? I cannot hear you clapping. Write it now. Put it. You don't see Pot King is clapping. Clap. If you are not willing to sacrifice, this is an update to I think what should we call this thing now? Should we call it Gege have University, Gege University of Wisdom and Understanding? We need to have the Dream Chasers Academy of Fundamentals and Technicals. I'll find the name. Thank you for clapping. Yeah, you have to sacrifice too, because if you don't sacrifice, you don't deserve greatness. Now, yesterday, good. Make we gist. Make I give them a gist. Now, yesterday, I need you to understand this game. Yesterday, the US caught the federal rate. The US caught Fed rate. The US Fed caught rate, I mean to say. When they caught rate, before the news, we had this. Bam! There was a pump. You can see, let me expand this. I need you to understand the game here. You need to understand that the game is brutal. See, by next year, I will start attaching. Is there a way to be able to monetize this in a way that people have to pay before they join live stream? So now look at the game. Before the rate, it pumped. When they cut rate, we had, if it was around this place, we then have the flash pump to 94. It created a double top. Now, yesterday, remember, I was bullish. I set an entry, we picked up, it was good profit, right? But now, obviously, trends do change. Now, the trend on the 4 hours time frame has changed. Now, look at the game. They trap people, making them believe they're going to buy, fly up, then they liquidate them. For those people that trade on 4 hours or yesterday, 1 hour time frame, 2 hours time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, they must have been liquidated. But immediately, that news is supposed to be a bullish news. But you need to understand the game. Person don't drop updates. Dream Chaser Crypto Wisdom and Understanding Academy for Fundamentals and Technicals. Oh my God. I don't off Poch Kings. Posse Kings from YouTube. It's a Dream Chaser Crypto Wisdom and Understanding Academy for Fundamentals and Technicals. Oh my God. Puleg for YouTube said, if you're not willing to sacrifice, you don't deserve greatness. DC 2025. If I'm not DC 2025, DC forever. An update. So now, see the game. Make them drop a news, make them believe that that news is going to react immediately, then liquidate them, make them give up. Now, let me show you the game. Yesterday, people that said, oh, they say bullish news, they got liquidated. Now that they got liquidated, they're then like, oh my God. Okay, I think I was wrong. Let me try and buy, but let me check if there will be a buy momentum before I try and buy. Then see what Bitcoin is going to do. Bitcoin is going to come here. When Bitcoin is pumping to here, they'll be like, hey, it's going up. Let me buy now. Bitcoin will liquidate them for the second time. Just be following me carefully. Update choke. Bitcoin will liquidate them for the second time. When Bitcoin liquidates them for the second time, They have given up. What kind of nonsense fucked up this is this? Crypto is a scam. Crypto is a scam. Then Bitcoin will go up like this. Bitcoin will go up like this. In case you are streaming on X and this is not clear enough, you cannot see my screen clear enough, it means that you are streaming wrongly. So what you have to do is that you are going to see I want to go into, I'll be sure. So you're going to see a button. So what you have to do is that you're going to see a button that has three dots, right? No. You're going to see the settings button. You're going to see quality. Click on the settings button. You see a button that represents setting. You click on the setting button, then change the quality to 1080p. 1080p is 1080 pixels. So it's going to become very, very clear. Okay, I just say this because I realize that a lot of people don't know how to use X. So it's going to become very clear. So you can be able to see my numbers, everything very clear, like very, very clear. Okay. So I just realized that a lot of people don't know how to use X because I was speaking to one of my friends today. He was like, Extreme is not usually clear. And I'm like, no, that means you don't know how to watch. So just click once you're on the live, you click on the setting button, you're going to see the quality 1080 pixels, that is 1080p. You're good to go. YouTube guys, you can do that also, okay? How many of you are just getting to know this for the first time today? If you're just getting to know it for the first time, drop a comment so that I'll know that at least I don't give my update again. If you're just getting to know this for the first time, just drop a comment, let me know. We got 222 people here. Welcome, 222 people. Okay, so Puleng said funny. I'm just getting to know this. Yeah, you can do the same thing on YouTube. YouTube, the same thing. Click on it. It's going to be very clear. So sometimes people complain, oh, live streams are not clear. It is very clear. I'm using a Logi webcam, so it's very clear. I'm streaming at the highest quality. It's very, very clear. Okay, you just need to know how to use it. Okay, so let's dive into the charts, as I was saying. So now, this thing you just said now is rubbish. It's a lie. It's a lie. Federal government just cut the rate. The market is supposed to pump straight. That is the difference between me and you. The difference between me and you is that I know fundamentals and I know technicals, and I combine them together, and I boom, 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 boom. Now I'm going to show you why the market is going to crash. I'm going to, no, not crash, dump. And I'm going to show you why it's going to pump. And then I'm going to give you an entry for you to take advantage of these two trades. We're going to celebrate in the coming days, inshallah. If you are willing to receive, excuse me, if you are willing to receive, type I receive. I need this thing to be very interactive. Type I receive. I receive. Type I receive. I receive. I'm not getting into the spirit. Fire, 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 fire. Type I receive. I receive. I receive. Peace. Say I receive. I receive. I'm about blessings is about to go down now. Blessings. We have been winning most of our trades. We'll keep winning. I receive fire, fire. This MCO Tech, the guy is very, very active. I like your energy, bro. Yeah, so me, I not be really serious person now. I not be really serious person. So And they like play where life is too short to be too serious. $240 people in the building. Fuck that shit. We up, we up, we up. So I showed you that this is what BTC has in stock for us for the closest feature, right? Now let me delete this and then show you why. Okay, first and first, we already have a break of structure here. So we already have a break of structure here. Double top pattern, top one, top two, breakout. I'm expecting a retest, and this retest is going to trap a lot of buyers, right? So to get a better entry, I'm going to do this and this, okay? This is my Fibonacci. If you want my Fibonacci, I'll sell it for you, $500. Okay, well, this setup Fibonacci is the best. Okay, so this is my Fibonacci setup. Remember, so for those of you joining me for the first time, you might not know this. For those of you that have been here, there's some type of words you have here from me, which is confirmation, condition, right? So, yep, this is my, oh my word, this is my A plus setup for BTC. BTC broke structure now. A lot of people in the community, they are buying BTC now. Okay, they are buying BTC. They think we're bullish. They don't know that that pump failed to break the resistance. So 97K for now is not possible. They are not on this live stream. They are going to lose money. They are going to come to drag me, and I'm going to show them. Come back to this video and watch. You didn't join. Oh, so sorry. I was trying to explain extensively why we should do this. Now, what should we do? We enter that trade at 91,700. 91,700, right? We have a support here, right? Normally I could have posted cut losses, but because of this support, that is for those people that didn't take profit yesterday. So because of this support here, you can see how I marked it out. I need you to understand why I'm making this decision, because any decision I'm making is an informed decision. It's not a decision based on emotions. It's a decision based on strategy and market structure and everything that is not emotion. Now you can see I marked the support. Even the blind can see the support, right? So from this support, I'm expecting a push up unless there's a news that the selling pressure is too much, it breaks the support. For now, I'm expecting this. Remember, we entered at 91.7, but I'm expecting a move up to about 92,300, right? So for those people that are still on the BTC long, when we get to 91.7, please, you can break even. Kindly break even. So I believe that this push up is going to push up to 91.7. This support is going to push the market to 91.7 and even above. And yeah, just break even. Let's be done with the longs for now, okay? For those of you still in that trade, because personally I'm still caught up in that trade. And yeah, once this happens, I'm gonna, break even and then take a short trade. You understand what I said, right? If you understand, for those of you on it, if you understand, and for those of you that are here, if you understand what I'm saying, please drop a comment. I understand. Please let me tell you something. I am a very, very those type of people that are very, 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 very hardworking, and they are passionate about their hard work, and they get angry when people are not like, people that are trying to do something with, they're not, involved. Please, I'm that kind of person, okay? So if you're not commenting, it simply means that you don't need this information. I'm going to end this live stream and I'm going to go do my thing myself, okay? But if you feel you're going to be benefiting something, or you're benefiting something here, even if you are very busy wherever you are, you can just type I understand, type, and you get what I'm saying. You just drop a comment. It's not hard. That is encouragement. That is you trying to let me know that you can hear me clearly. Okay, please, please. It's very important. Okay. So, um, uh, do you understand what I just mentioned here and what I'm expecting? Okay, I talked about top one, top two, breakout. I'm expecting a retest. Okay. Posh, this Posse King is active. Friday, okay, I'm following cool, Google. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is encouraging. I now know that you guys are active. Okay, so now, unless selling pressure is too much, I don't think it's gonna be too much, but it might be. It's crypto, anything is possible. But then we should be expecting a pump towards 92,300, 92,400. So see what's gonna happen. Oh my god, my laptop is low. So I've shown you top one, I've shown you top two, I've shown you breakout, I've shown you that we're going to have a retest. Now, another thing, I've shown you my Fibonacci entry. Now, let me show you another confirmation. Right. So, this confirmation here is a break of structure. It was an uptrend, then a break of structure. Okay. Uptrend, a break of structure. And now there's a break of structure. We should be retesting this place now. Let me change it to red. So we should be respecting the retest around this zone. This zone is now a place to take a sell. Okay. So I've shown you three confirmations for just one setup. Three confirmations for just one setup. Now the last but not the least, let us try the trend line. So according to trend line, we've had a breakout. You can see support. Here was a support, it bought, support, it bought, support, it bought, then a break of trend line. When we have the break of this trend line, now what should we be expecting? A retest to the trend line continue. So that then brings us to what? Instead of putting our stop loss, our take profit here at 85,000, we are putting our take profit at the beginning of this trend line, which is very, very valid. The support, which is what? 83,761. I have given you four. I have given you four solid. I'm going to take this out. I don't like people to know how I analyze my market, so that is why most times I put this like this when I want to share. But on this live stream, you are privileged to get to know how I did it. So I am giving you a 1:3 trade, which is what we're risking 3% to get 9%. So let me call this signal out. Let me call this signal for you guys so that you can place this signal on limit order. And there is a 90% chance we're going to win this trade. Funny enough, if we take this trade the way I say you should take it, your TP is going to be at 90%. So 90% chance of making a 90% punchline. Now, before I drop the signal, are you with me? If you are with me, say yes, I am with you. Say yes, I am with you. Say yes, I am with you. All right, update. We got 261 people in here, you know. So we got yeah, I like to document what I do. So yeah, I know some of you already used to it. Okay, good. I can say I am with you, I am with you, I am with you. Senator Lucky. Other people, you're not with me. So for those of you on X, those of you watching from X, um, let me put this up. Let me put this up. You can go to, please, I need you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel now. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see my YouTube channel, sub to our YouTube, Dream Chaser JTK1. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay? Because go there. I got a lot of updates there, okay? So you can be able to take advantage of them, learn, educate yourself, okay? Yeah, cool. Yeah, Victor, I see you. I greet you specially. Welcome. So, um, so time for me to. Information and knowledge is power. If you Okay, so sub to our YouTube. Make sure you're on YouTube. Make sure you go to our YouTube, sub to our YouTube, maybe after this live stream, okay? So I'm going to be calling out the signal. So when I'm calling out the signal, please make sure this is an A plus setup, okay? A plus setup, A plus. Yeah, there's a 90% chance this is going to happen. So I need you to pay attention, okay? Pay attention. If there's any kind person here, that kind person can be typing it out and in the comments and post it, okay? So when I'm typing, you post. When I'm typing, you post, so that other people can be able to grasp it, okay? So short Bitcoin, short Bitcoin entry is at $92,400. So your entry for shorting Bitcoin, $92,400. Your leverage is 10x leverage. Leverage 10x, entry 92,400. Your stop loss is 95,186. So stop loss 95,186, and your take profit is 83,855. Who got it? If you got it, type comment I got it. I got it. I got it. If you got it, comment I got it. Sharp. Entry is 92,400. 92,400 for your entry. Leverage is 10x. Stop loss 95,186. Take profit is 83,855. Somebody should type this out here, please. Yeah, Posse King is typing it. Yeah. So if this particular trade hits stop loss, you're going to lose. If this particular trade hits stop loss, you're going to lose. You're going to lose 30% of your margin. So if you know you cannot afford to lose more than $30 when this trade goes south, make sure you take this trade with only $100. And if you take this trade, remember it's a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So if you take this trade, you are risking $30. It means that if you lose, you are losing $30. If you win, you are going to win $90 if we hit take profit or the final TP. So you need to understand all of this, because sometimes some of you only don't understand this. So has everybody gotten it? Everybody gotten it? If you've gotten it, comment. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so I think everybody got it. Yeah, everybody got it. Yeah. So I'm trying to do P2P, make I collect money. Okay, so that is for the sales. Okay, that is for the sales. Now CPI, I say CPI, yes, interest rate, federal rates, cut down the rate. Everybody's expecting bullish. This is going to happen. It's going to demoralize a lot of people. This is the fucking game. This happens over and over and over again. This is the game. Think like a criminal. They said, oh, it's going to be bullish. CPI, federal rate, the cut interest is going to be bullish. And since it's a bullish news, start buying immediately. No, you're going to be a big mumu if you start buying immediately. That is where knowledge comes in, information comes in. Now, where do we buy from? Oh, oh my word. Look at what the federal government are doing. So we buy from here. So I'm going to put a green here. So when we buy from here, and I will tell you what we're going to buy from there. You put your buys here, put your TP. That's my target. 107, your stop loss. I'm going to use the stop loss. So let us make it a 1:, this over 1:3. This over 1:3. Even trading this with a 10x can be safe, but because of this week, I have greater respect for that week. So I'm going to make it safer for everybody. using a daily. DC, you're talking rubbish. Why are we going to buy from there? DC to the lie, Joe. Look at it. Simple thing. Bottom one, bottom two. This movement is going to bring it down to bottom three. The rule of trading is of technical analysis. In most times, from bottom three, we have a buy. On a weekly time frame, I have shown you all. For those of you that don't have not followed me to, or you don't know what I'm talking about, like when I say the weekly time frame, you can go to my YouTube live streams, check my YouTube page. You're gonna see what I talked about, where I've talked, giving a full analysis on why Bitcoin is supposed to pump to around 107 before it dumps. So it's there. Okay, it's there right now. So you get what I'm saying. So so now we need to set we need to set another entry for buys. Okay, so what is going to be our entry for buys and take profit, and what is going to happen? So if you are ready, if you are ready for if you are ready for the buys, if you are ready for the buys, okay, type I'm ready. If you are ready for the buy setup, for the buy signal, if you are ready for the buy setup, type I am ready. After this, we are done with this live stream. I have to go do other things. There's a book I'm reading. I need to finish that book. So you can scroll through the comments to see the sell TP. Scroll through the comment section. Somebody wrote it there. Scroll through it. Somebody said the chop SL. Which SL the chop? Reno. Hey God. Bro, we have 257 people from Twitter. Yo, you guys should kindly retweet the space, okay? Retweet the live stream, okay? Retweet this shit, man. Retweet it. Oh my God. Oh. Damn, but we're gonna make a whole lot of money. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. We're gonna make so much money. So please kindly retweet. So, anyways, somebody's saying TP. Please, you need to listen attentively. TP is 83,055. 83,855, I mean to say. 83,855 for the BTC cell, please. Yeah, somebody just wrote it again. 83,855. Bro, 1 freaking hour into this live stream, man. Not too much. Not too much. Not too much. One freaking hour. Oh my god. My whole body just scatter. Got 289 dream chasers here. Too much, not too much, not too much. Oh my god, man. Not easy to be hard worker. Not easy. Okay, so 293 people in the building. Appreciate you all. We just hit 4,000 subscribers. Okay, now I'm gonna do this on. Let me do it on Snap, so it's gonna be there. So I'm trying to do it on Snapchat also. So let me form a hype man. Ladies and gentlemen, Bing Dream Chaser Bing just hit 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. Whoa! So this is 4K today. I just hit some 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, and it's a good thing. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for always subscribing. Oh my God, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. 4,000 organic subscribers, trying to know what I do, figure out what I'm doing, get information from me, supporting me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It is epic. And I cannot wait to see 4 million subscribers, and it's going to happen, it's going to happen. So thank you so much for starting this journey with us. And it's going to be epic. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Obrigado. Obrigado. Thank you. Dream Chaser. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Una no tell me congratulations. Oh my God, I hit 4,000 subscribers. These people are not telling me congratulations. I hit it on this live stream, 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. I do got 292 people here. And these my fans, they're just asking me for things. They know they tell me congratulations. Jesus. Well, I don't like me be that oh. Almost. Almost see go be. Okay. They don't they tell me congratulations. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. We did it. 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 Obrigado. 4,000 fucking subscribers on YouTube. Thank you. Obrigado. I remember last year I was at by this time last year I was at 800 subscribers. You know, yeah. So it's a good growth. 2x, I'll be 3x, 3x plus in 1 year. It's a good growth. Yeah, I know some people get it easier, some people get it harder, but this is my journey. It's a good growth. So thank you all for always supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, the comments, the sharing. I appreciate you. We're going to celebrate bigger wins together in all ramifications in my life, in your life, in the life of the general community at large. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, so please on my YouTube, there's a whole lot of educative content. For those of you on X, make sure you subscribe to me. I'm going to put it up now again. So yeah, sure. Sub to the YouTube. Next year we'll have a lot coming. This is I have a lot packed for you all next year. Next year we're going to move to another channel. Next year, in fact, I'm saying it here for the first time. Next year we're going to move to another channel, and we'll move to that channel. Um, you know, it's going to be different. Many things are going to be happening. You understand? But I'm happy we are hitting milestones here. The next one is going to be very massive. Okay, okay. So yeah. So, and by the way, so before I drop the before I drop, thank you so much everybody that congratulated me. Thank you. It is our win. It is a win for all of us. So um um excuse me, please. So before I drop the next update on BTC, I need you to understand that we have a course. I did that course. At least you have seen the things I can be able to do on live. I did that course. It's called Dream Chasers Code. Dream Chasers Code, the unfair trading advantage. Okay, if you have money, I advise you do what is hard. Invest in yourself. A lot of people are not willing to bet on themselves. They want other people to bet on them. On them, yeah. But you bet on yourself. If you bet on yourself, you're going to always win. Okay, so invest in yourself. You can buy the course now that it is still very cheap. Okay, invest in it, buy it. You're going to get so informed. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. So let me show you. Let me show you something. Okay. Um, so the let me take this off now. Um, okay. So you can see this place we have 9 members. So among the people that are getting the course, some people got the one that has to do with mentorship. So the course you're going to learn, trust me, you're going to learn. But these people they want to be mentored for 1 year, even after learning, and they are here. So you can see what is going on here, right? The analyzing, dropping. I'm also commenting, right? And I just want to show you some results that these guys have been. You see their comments. Wait, like I don't want to. Okay, so today BTC peaked 87. So that was when we started longing from 87, 87.6. You can see um these guys they are just doing marvelously well. From some of you know when I started talking about the course, and so you can see this particular person. Uh, you're gonna see some results. You can see he now knows how to wait, and I will show you some things. I'll show you some stuff. Okay, so now he's dropping a lot of analysis. I want to be fast about this, so that's why I am talking fast like this. So he's dropped a lot of analysis, things he have learned and all that. Then let me show you some things. Um, I don't know if I think it's on this live stream. Okay, I have a lot of. Okay, our chats. Mm, why the fuck is this now? I just want to show you some stuff for a second. I don't like showing my Telegram because I don't. Oh my god, I'm trying so hard to get this. Okay, good, 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 good. I didn't even post this one today. So you can see yo close. This was he was awake. By the way, this particular person is not a Nigerian. So he was awake. So yesterday he took those trades, he closed them. Me, that's why I told you guys I was asleep. I was so angry. So you can see the results right now. You can see decided to close this one here, and 85 10x link one, and I'm like, yo, proud of you. He sent me this in the morning. I told him congrats. This around 1 a.m. I was like, yo, congratulations. You know, then this this was also because of the analysis I can now make because of your lessons. Thanks, boss. So you can see um results, you get me. So okay, so this was when he purchased it. He was like, I'm going to show you. I don't want any personal information to show about him, please. So I'm going to leave it here. So this was where he purchased it. Oh my God. So I got the course, and now you can see what he's doing, in the group. And these are the personal ones he sent to me via DM. So I'm just bringing this up here so that you can be able to take a risk on yourself, bet on yourself, invest in yourself. Okay, invest in yourself. Okay, so we have Dream Chasers code. Try as much as possible to purchase it now and be learn from the best. Okay, so let's move on to this. So I'm gonna end it here because I'm a 1 hour plus, man. It's crazy. So let me call out the signal, okay? So when I call out the signal, you take the signal. So a lot of people want signal, signal, signal. Not a lot of people want to learn. So make sure you do what is hard. You understand? Always do what is hard. So entry for this signal is 83,870. We're trying to long Bitcoin. Your leverage is 5x leverage, please. 5x. So 83,000. Somebody can type it out. While I'm calling it, somebody should type it out, okay? So 83,855. No, 83,000. Wait a second. Okay, 83,870 for entry for long. Stop loss is 78,814. Take profit is 107,232. Leverage is 5x. I'm going to repeat it again so that you can be typing it out. Okay, type it out. Somebody can type it out here. So entry 83,870. Stop loss 78,814. Take profit 107,232. Leverage is 5x. Leverage is 5x. Obviously, as usual, if this hits stop loss, you're going to lose 30%. If this hits stop loss, you're going to lose 30% of your margin. So I'm going to call it again one more time. Entry is 83,870. Stop loss 78,814. Take profit 107,232. If this hits stop loss, you're going to lose 30% of your margin. Did you get it? Did you get it? Hello, boss. You can leave or my fans. So please, if you learned something, if you learned something new from here, if you got the update, drop a comment. Okay. If you learn something new, drop a comment. If you learn something new, drop a comment. Then if you have your questions, please ask your questions ASAP. Type in your questions ASAP. Okay. Type in your questions ASAP, ASAP. Let's use like 10, 20, 10 minutes to reply the questions and we move. Okay, so this is your chance for questions. Ask your questions, okay? Oh, I hit 4,000 subscribers. These people. So you got questions? Ask your questions ASAP, please. ASAP. Please ask your questions ASAP. Okay, I believe you are typing the questions, but be fast, please, okay? I'm waiting. We have 300 people here. Let's be fast, okay? Let this not be boring. Okay, we have 1 more minute to wait for questions. If there are no questions, then we call it a wrap. So 1 more minute. If I don't see any question, we'll call it a wrap. So if you have any questions to ask, you can ask me now. Speak now or forever remain silent. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Speak now or forever remain silent. Okay, so that's about it. I'll call it a wrap here. And yeah, please, tomorrow we're going to have a live stream also tomorrow, inshallah. Tomorrow we're going to have a live stream. Probably we'll be here to celebrate our wins tomorrow, okay? Probably would have won, you know. So thank you so much for always joining. Thank you for always retweeting, sharing. I appreciate the gesture. It is our win. We are all winning together. Thank you. And may the good Lord bless you. Do have a fruitful day ahead and a profitable day ahead. Remain blessed. Remain blessed. Bye. And remember, invest in yourself always. Invest in yourself. Okay? Do what is